Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and several other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing Captain Fiddles. You can see I'm kind of searching around before I mark, try to find out where all these things are. I've got a line going through the center and then a horizontal line to kind of just line up the eyeballs, and from there you try to make everything else fit in place. I have the Dixon No. 2 HB pencil today. Now, if you're over the age of 1, which I'm guessing at least 25% of you are, you've probably asked yourself once in a while, does Captain Fiddles really exist? We may never know. So I'm going in here and kind of redefining these eyeballs here. And I put the border on last, the outline there of the frame, just to kind of, I wait to do that to last most of the time, but Drawn to You too. Just taking over here. Okay. Let's see what's going on. All right. So outlining the character with the Pigma Micron here. Going in. Oh, look at those teeth. I like that. That's what makes the character right there. So darker line with the Sharpie for the mouth and the eyeballs. That's looking good so far. Looking great. Darkening those darker areas. And now we're going in with the purple. And he's choosing to represent those little shadow marks with this purple Crayola. Look at that mouth there. That's the point where 2 said it looks like he ate something purple. So I'm pretty happy because he's still maintaining the idea that you fill in those outer edges. When you're filling a large space, you fill in those edges, and then and from there go in and do the rest. Now the dark around the eyes with this Crayola. So sometimes you have different markers. That's fine. You get it's always the artist's plight to find the exact right tool for something. And sometimes when you don't have what you need, you end up finding the exact right thing in that moment of frustration. So For me, this is what it's really all about, is to stimulate this. Look what he's doing, drawing this background here, to, kind of stimulate creativity. He's imagining it. He knows the character. This is where he's explaining to me that it's a bus stop, and Captain Fiddles is ready to go. I can't remember exactly what he says, but he's anxious to get on the bus, I think. So, anyways, Two did this awesome background, and now he's going to do the Band logo here, as we did in some of the other ones. So he's got the mini Captain Fiddles on the right there, and then the logo. Love it. Going over the signatures here, and I think we all know what that change in musical tone means. It means we're coming up on the end of another episode. Alas and alack. We will miss you until next time. Oh, he's drawn in the inside the number there. Got another thumbs up. Here's our final product. Love it. Really happy. Well, there he is, Captain Fiddles. We had a good time doing this one, Internet. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.
Yeah.